Good morning, dear students. Today we are in the fifth chapter of Unit 7, that is multiplication of money. Now, today we will be learning about the multiplication of money. That means the multiplication of rupees and paisa. So, students, multiplying money is same as we multiply ordinary numbers. So, students, whenever paisa are expressed as two digit, we multiply same way as ordinary number, then we put dot after two digits from the right in the product. So विद्यार्थीहरू जति बेला पैसा दुईवटा डिजिटमा एक्सप्रेस हुन्छ भने त्यति बेला हामीले अर्डिनरी नम्बर अर्थात् होल नम्बरलाई जस्तै हामीले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौं र मल्टिप्लाई गरिसके पछाडि राइट साइडबाट टू डिजिट काउन्ट गरेर डट राख्ने गर्छौं स्टुडेन्ट्स, पोइन्ट राख्ने गर्छौं. Otherwise, we will perform simply multiplication. So now students, let's move towards exercise. So students, here sometimes multiplication of money, it may ask you in the form of fill in the blanks. So here your question is fill in the amount. Now in question number 1, there is 7 rupees 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 times rupees 7 is, students, 7 multiplied by 7. So we all know 7 sevens are it's 49. So students, it is rupees 49. यदि हामीले रुपीज 7 लाई 7 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने स्टुडेन्ट्स हामीले रुपीज 49 पाउँछौं. Now similarly, rupees 8 times 12, it means if you multiply rupees 8 by 12, so how much we are going to get? So we are going to get 12 8 it's 96. Now similarly students, question number 3, 50 paisa into 4. Now if you multiply 50 paisa with 4, भनेको अर्थ 50 पैसा छ र अब यदि 50 पैसा 4 वटा छ भने टोटलमा कति हुन्छ? So students, let's multiply 50 by 4. So first of all, we have to multiply this ones place with this 4. 4 0 ja 0. Now again tens place with 4. 4 5 ja 20. So students, in this way we got 200 paisa. 50 paisa times 4 is 200 paisa. Now similarly students, in 4 number there is 75 paisa times 3. So we have to multiply 75 paisa by 3. यसको मतलब हो यदि 3 वटा 75 पैसा छ भने all together कति हुन्छ? So students, let's multiply this 5 first with this 3. So 3 5 ja 15, 1 carry over. So now again 3 will multiply with 7. 3 7 ja 21, 21 and this plus 1 22. So students, 75 paisa times 3 is 225 paisa. So students, now let's move forward. Now students, sometimes it may ask you as in the form of rupees or notes. So here your question is 3-5 rupee notes. कहिलेकाहीँ स्टुडेन्ट्स हामीलाई यति रुपियाँको नोट भनेर सोध्न सक्छ हैन. 3-5 रुपी नोट्स. नाउ वी हैव टु राइट द अमाउन्ट. 3-5 रुपी नोट्स भनेको कति? Now students, here first let's understand. 3-5 rupee notes means 5 रुपियाँको नोट 3 वटा हैन. 5 रुपियाँको नोट 3 वटा हामीसँग छ भने यसको मतलब हामीसँग कति रुपियाँ छ त? So students, for that we need to multiply this 3 with this 5. So 3 5 ja, so student this is 3, this is 5 into 5, so 3 5 ja 15. So students, we will get rupees 15, RS 15. Similarly students, question number 2, 2 500 rupee notes बनाएको अर्थ, we have 2 500 notes. So students, यदि हामीसँग दुईवटा 500 को नोट छ भने अब हामीसँग कति रुपियाँ हुने भयो त? सो 2 into 500, 2 0 जा 0, 2 0 जा 0, 2 5 जा 10. So students, 1000 rupees. Now similarly students, 3 10 पैसा coins, यदि हामीसँग 10 पैसा को सिक्का 3 वटा छ भने 3 means 3 into 10 पैसा, so 3 10 the students 30. This is not rupees, this is coins. So students, let's write 30 paisa. Now let's do some question related to paisa expressed as a 2 digit. Here you can see rupees 4.65, which means paisa has been expressed as 2 digit. अहिले चाहिँ डेसिमल भन्दा अगाडिको रुपीज हो भने डेसिमल भन्दा पछाडिको पार्ट चाहिँ पैसा हो स्टुडेन्ट्स. द पार्ट बिफोर डेसिमल इज रुपीज एन्ड द पार्ट आफ्टर डेसिमल इज पैसा. सो विद्यार्थीहरू, अहिले चाहिँ पैसा दुईवटा डिजिटमा कन्भर्ट गरिएको छ. सो यति बेला हामीले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने कसरी गर्ने त? हाउ क्यान वी मल्टिप्लाई वेन एभर देयर इज अ डेसिमल or whenever the paisa is converted as 2 digit. So students, as I have already told you that multiplying decimal number is same as multiplying whole numbers. So let's multiply. This is 9, 9 5 ja 45, 45 5 we will write, 4 will be carry over. Now 9 will multiply with 6, 9 6 ja 54, 54 plus 4 is 58 students, 58 को 8, 5 carry over. Now 9 will multiply with 4, 9 4 ja 36, 36 plus 5 students, 36 plus 5 it is 41. Now students, we should not forget to put this dot in the result. So students, here let's count before how many digit there is a decimal from right side. हामीले राइटबाट हेर्ने कति डिजिट अगाडि डेसिमल छ क्वेसनमा. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, 1 2 2 डिजिट अगाडि छ भने हामीले आन्सरमा पनि 1 2 2 डिजिट काउन्ट गरेर डेसिमल राख्ने स्टुडेन्ट्स. दिस इज रुपीज. सो इफ यु मल्टिप्लाई रुपीज 4.65 with 9, then you will get rupees 41.85. So similarly students, let's multiply this one, rupees 120.75 with 6. So 6 5 it's 30, 0 carry over 3, 6 7 42, 42 plus 3 45 carry over 4, 6 0 0, 0 plus 4 4 students, 6 2 12, 12 2 will write, 1 will be carry over, 6 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So students, rupees 120.75 multiplied by 6 is rupees 724.50. Students, why I have kept a decimal here? As because if we see in the question from right 1 2, so before 2 digit there is decimal, 1 2 2 digit अगाडि डेसिमल भएको हुनाले हामीले आन्सरमा पनि 1 2 2 digit काउन्ट गरेर डेसिमल राख्ने. So students, hope you have understood today's class very well. Now here I would like to give you some questions as a homework. So students, Here I have given 4 questions as your homework. Hope you will do it. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.